Hey beautiful people, today we're doing a declutter. First, before blushes, I'm going to just do bronzers today. So this area and some of these palettes. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First, in this corner, I have 3 of the Glowish by Huda Beauty. I'm only going to keep 1. I'm more of a light medium shade right now. I hardly go in the sun. And when I do go in the sun, I cover myself a lot. So I don't really get as brown as I used to. So we're going to swatch these and see which one is better. This is a medium. This is, what shade are you? Light. And then this is tan light. So let's see. Wow, tan light is pretty deep. It has more browns in the middle. And then light looks a little bit way too light for me. So I feel like medium is going to be my best shade. So we're going to get rid of tan light and light. And I'm only going to keep medium in my collection. I also have 4 of these from Cate London. So let's go ahead and swatch these as well. I'm only going to keep 1 or 2. So we have this one right here is South Beach. And then we have, what are you? This is Aruba Island. So this is Aruba Island is kind of like a matte. And then South Beach has like some shimmer to it. So I can already tell this one's a little bit too orangey. So I'm going to get rid of this one. This is Aruba Island. This one is beautiful, but let's see what's in these other 2. This one right here is the Bamboo Palm Island. Oh, I can already tell this is pretty light, so I'm going to declutter that. And then this one is called South Beach. Oh, I think these are the same shade. This one's a little bit on the lighter side. Let's see if that's true. Yeah, this one's on the lighter side, so I'm going to keep this one. This is the Bamboo Bronzer in South Beach. I'm going to keep this one, and I'm going to declutter this. I'm doing really good. I only have 1 of these. This is from Too Faced, and I really, really love this. This is the Chocolate Gold. I have the Alamar Trio. I don't know if I really use this as much anymore. I don't know. We're going to keep this on standby. We'll see. The Hoola Original is my ride or die. So I've used up 1 of these previously. So I absolutely love this shade. This is going to stay. This one by Vise Art is pretty new as well. I think it's a nice shade for me. Let me see. Maybe it's a little too light. We'll see. This is in the shade Bronze Nox. I don't know. It could be like a good contour shade. It's kind of like more on that grayish tone, but it is pretty light. We're also going to keep this one on standby. This right here is from Natasha Denona. This is the Aloe Cheek Duo. And this is pretty. I have to be very light-handed because this is so deep. Wow, that is so deep. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. Also going to keep it on standby. This right here, the Putty Bronzer by e.l.f. It's nice, but I feel like the pot is very little. I hardly reach for it because I don't really like, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and declutter it. I feel like I don't really gravitate towards this. This, on the other hand, I absolutely love. And even though it's in one of these packagings that I don't really care for, I don't like these, what is that called? Like having to open it like that. I'd rather have like something you flip up. I love this type of formula. It's very glowy, very beautiful on the skin. As you get older, you want something that's creamy and blends in. And Merit's bronzer, their blushes, absolutely beautiful. So this is going to stay. I really like this formula by Makeup by Mario. Very gorgeous sculpting kind of color. So this is going to stay. I also, let me see. This one by LYS is also a very beautiful shade. So we're going to keep that. And this one by Merit is gorgeous for contouring as well. Oh, love, love, love this kind of balm stick as well. So going to keep this. So far I've been kind of like in between here. So how many do I have here from She Glam? So we have a few here from She Glam. I want to say all three of these are different. These are all like liquids. So that one is matte, I want to say. Yeah, this is more of a shimmer. Whoa. And then this one, if I'm not mistaken, is more of a contour shade. Yeah, so all three of those are nice. So I'm going to keep all three of these and then just put them over here with the bronzers now that I have a little bit more room. And I don't think I have any more bronzers this way, do I? Oh yeah, I have the iconic Give Me Sun from MAC, and this will stay in my collection because I love it. This one here from Anastasia Beverly Hills is very thick, and I don't know, I don't really gravitate towards it a lot, so I'm going to declutter this one as well. This is the Caramel Cream Bronzer. Sorry. I also have this one from Pixi on the Glow Bronze. It's a tinted moisturizer stick. That's what it looks like. I don't know. The last time I used this, it really picked up the foundation underneath, and I did not care for the formula. So I'm going to get rid of this one as well. It's going to go. Let's see. I don't think any of these over here are bronzers. Yeah, I think all the rest are blushes. And then I have this iconic London. This is the iconic London Ultimate Bronzer Powder. And I got rid of the other shades that I have. I just feel like this is so big that I don't really reach for it. I'm going to give it one last shot. And if not, I'm going to declutter it. So I'm going to put it over here. And hopefully I will reach for it more. Then we have the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I don't know if I really use this that much. It's so bulky, and I hate when something is just, it's way too bulky. I don't know. I'm going to give it one last shot. I'm going to put it over here. Next, we have the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. These are just flawless, beautiful. Love MAC's formula. So I'm going to keep these. Then I have the iconic London. This is a cream palette. I'm not sure why I don't really reach for this. I do feel like this shade's like way too dark. I don't know. I feel like I reach more for single type of creams compared to like this palette. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter this as well. And then last in this corner, I have the Wet n Wild Hula Honey from Stitch. This is such a cute palette. I bought it mainly because I am a sucker for Stitch. So I'm going to keep this one as well. I'm going to push these to the side and have all my bronzers here. So that is what the bronzer section looks like now. I feel like I didn't do too bad. I didn't really go as savage as some of the other declutters, but let's go ahead and count and see how many I decluttered. In total, I decluttered 9 different products. So I feel like I did really, really good. We took out duplicates of stuff or things that I'm not really fond of the formula or the formula has changed. So I think I did really well. We shall see with the blushes next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe, and my socials are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.